How to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once you have done that, simply open Facebook and then go to your profile right here. So if you don't have this profile option right here, you may go to menu and then go to your profile. Once you're here, simply click on your profile picture and choose select profile picture. And then what you're going to do right here is that you may go to suggested photos and then choose your a photo that you want. You may also click on your profile, click on view profile picture, and then swipe right. And then as you can see, for example, this one, you may click on a button right here which says make profile. But if you don't have that button, you may click on the three dots right here and then click on make a cover photo or make or set as profile picture. So you should choose that option. So since I don't have that option right now, I may not be able to click on it. Again, if you have the make profile option right here, simply click on it and then that's it. That's how you can change Facebook profile picture without losing likes.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.